1053.
Stand by. 1037, southbound from the 70.
10-4 vehicle.
Little blue vehicle. I couldn't read the tag, but we're at 126 right now.
10-4 brake hold all units. We are 1053.
Tag's going to be Boy George Nora 51H Henry.
10-4 Blue Dodge Avenger.
Going to Garland, so as soon as you know what exit you take, let me know.
Coming up on the 67.
10-4.
I'm gonna start backing off. I'm gonna make a move. I'm gonna try to juke me. There we go. Took 678.
10-4.
10-4, so we get on Garland.
10-4.
Alright, I'll get you over here. I'm gonna try to push him out of town.
10-4, I think he sees you.
Block that over.
Okay, he's losing control. He's in the ditch, he's in the ditch.
10-4.
Show me your hands! He's on foot, he's on foot, he's on foot. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Driver's Randall, he's going back over there. He's going back over to the off-ramp.
10-4.
I can hear. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Go over there. Passenger, get out. Get out. Exit through the driver's door. Exit through the driver's door. With your hands up. Don't dig in your pocket.
That wasn't me, fool. That was my friend.
Who's your friend?
I don't.
Yeah, you do. Don't start that shit. When you shut the door.
Come down to shallow. It's good.
Can I call my dad?
No. Close the door.
I don't know what that was. That was my whole. I don't know why he did that.
Go up here.
And I don't know why.
Go up here.
He I have no idea, man. That was totally bad. I thought we were going to.
No, she's gonna jump down towards shallow. We can't be far.
I'm sorry.
Okay, go. Go.
I got you. I did not. I'm
You're right
sorry,
here.
man. I did not know he would. Like, I did not know he would do that. That was just wild. Like, I was like, slow down, bro. Cool. Why don't you just pull over? And then we go over here, and then he just like slides out, and he just like.
Yeah.
He's like, bro.
He doesn't know how to drive.
He's like, bro, here, and he's like, here, take a bit.
All right, put your hands behind your back right now.
You think my car is okay?
I don't know. Don't give a damn about your car right now. You've been detained right now.
I didn't do anything wrong, man. I was truly honest.
What is your buddy's name?
I think his name's like Juju or something like that. I don't remember. I just oh, I shouldn't have hung out with him, man. That was a bad idea, man. Yeah, do you think I could just grab my car and just head home?
No.
Because that was totally all him. I didn't even notice he was speeding until the cops pulled over, right?
Be still.
Okay. I didn't even notice that. Every time the cops told me stuff, I'm like, bro, just pull over. And he wouldn't even pull over. And it's just like, bro, like, why wouldn't you just stop and just like let the cops, like,
come on back here.
23, do we have a description on
like, why do you?
I didn't see him. He had already bailed out, and in the deep wooded area, I could just hear him running through the woods.
Ask the passenger, she'll give you some information on it.
He's saying nickname Juju. That's all he's telling me right now. He's trying to act like he don't know him.
No, I do. He's my friend. I'm not.
Put your feet in there.
I'm telling. Man, this is wrong, man.